Hello children. Today we will see the next part of the lesson, lesson 6, that is indices. And in this insight we have to understand how to find out the value. I taught you before only, but we will understand it step by step how it is given in our textbook in that method. I think I told you to solve the practice set number 28, all of you, and it's strict means you have to send the homework on homework group only. So many students are there, they are still now they are sending their homeworks on my personal number. Why we made that homework group? To send the homework only. So it's compulsory, you have to send the homework on that group only. Okay, I hope you solve this 28th exercise and send me on that homework group only. Now here indices, and here for indices inside the product and quotient of the two numbers. Okay, let's learn what is the product or quotient of two numbers that we are going to see in this lecture. So let us observe the examples to see what rule we get. Okay, so here 2 into 3 raised to 4, 2 into 3 raised to 4. So here how they solve the example? Here they had done the multiplication of 2 into 3 how many times? 4 times. 2 into 3 one time, second time, third time, and fourth time. So here afterwards they take out 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, means this 2 separately they wrote it here, and 3 again they written separately 4 times, and the answer what they wrote it here, that is 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. So these steps is given for understanding. Actually whenever this type of example will come in exam, the power or index of this 2 raised to 3, 2 into 3 raised to 4 means bracket square means 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 4. This is the rule. If there are the more than one numbers are there in the bracket and its power is there, that power is not only the power of 3 and not only the power of 2, this is the power of 2 also and 4 also, and you can write in this way. Okay, so this is the first rule, indexes, that rule we see. The rules example is given here. One more example given. If it is fraction is there, division, here it was multiplication. Multiplication if it is there, then this is the power of 2 also and 3 also. Similarly here in this example inside 4 upon 5 raised to 3, this power 3 is 4 also and 5 also. So you can write it in this way directly. I will teach you first of all and its explanation. So in exam you have to write 4 upon 5 raised to 3 means only 4 raised to 3 upon 5 raised to 3. Okay, and here it is, it's solving given 4 upon 5 raised to 3 means what they gave here, 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5 into 4 upon 5 means it's 3 time multiplication is there, and same here we have to do 4 into 4 into 4 means 4 time 3 time multiplication and 5 3 time multiplication, and means only 4's cube and 5's cube, and that we can write just now I shown you 4's cube upon 5's cube. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the exam. So from this which rule we are understanding? Now I know inside we will understand which rule we understood here. The if A and B are non-zero rational numbers. Rational numbers definition you know, I taught you so many times, P with the numbers which are in the form of P upon Q, but condition is that the denominator Q is not equals to 0. So A into B raised to M means only A raised to M into B raised to M, and here A upon B raised to M is equal to A raised to M upon B raised to M. Okay, and now the next point we will see A raised to M raised to M N. If it is like that, A raised to M raised to N, suppose A we will take any number, rational number that. So I took here easy example, I will take 3 raised to 2 and into 4 if suppose it is here. Then how to solve this? So if such a situation is there, 3 raised to 2 into 4 means only 3 raised to 8. Its multiplication we have to do. Means indices is there. Then we have to do the multiplication of indices. So here the power of the number in the index form. So here it is the question given. Okay, and how to solve that is shown here. Okay, just now I told you. So here 5 raised to 2 raised to 3. 5 raised to 2 raised to 3. So how in our textbook given 5 squares multiplication how many times? 3 times. 5 squares multiplication how many times? 3 times. Okay, and then here base is same. Okay, and if base is same, indices what we are doing, and multiplication is here, we are doing the indices addition. So 5 raised to 6 we got it here. So instead of doing this addition steps, we can solve this example directly as a 5 raised to 2 into 3 means only 5 raised to 6. Okay, so in this way we have to solve the example. Okay. Now one more example we will see for the practice. Here 7 raised to 2 raised to 5. 7 raised to, I think here printing mistake may be there, because here minus 5. 1 minute. So here I will check in textbook. Here maybe some mistake is there. Mistake, otherwise printing mistake maybe. So 1 minute. Hello. So here in this question inside where we were 7 raised to 2 raised to 5. But in our textbook here means here the printing mistake is there, minus 2 is here. Okay, so here which number is there? 7 raised to minus 2 raised to 5. If such an example will come in the exam, then how we will solve? So, and here also minus is there. Both numbers are negative. So both numbers are negative. If we want to make it positive, I told you the first rule. At first only I told you the rule. What is that rule? We have to take this number in the denominator position, then it will be positive. So here this minus 5 becomes positive when we will take it downside, and here 7 raised to minus 2 raised to 5. 5 becomes positive because we take that number in the which position? That is the denominator's position. It is complicated actually. At last I will teach you the method, and that was very easy method. So here 7 raised to minus 2 raised to minus 5. Minus 5, if I want to make it positive, I want to take it at a denominator's position. So 7 raised to minus 2 raised to 5. The next step of it is that, see here, you know that this step 1 upon 7 raised to minus 2, 5 times we have to do the multiplication. Yes, you know. Into 7 raised to minus 2, into 7 raised to minus 2, into 7 raised to minus 2. So how many times we done the multiplication here? 4 times. One more time we have to do. 7 raised to minus 2. Now you know that if base is same and what we have to do, then and division is there. Okay, so first of all base is same and here multiplication is there. So indices what we have to do? Addition. So 1 upon 7 raised to minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. So here it is minus 10. Okay, and that minus 10 becomes positive when you will take it at a numerator's position, means it will be plus 10. In this way we have to solve the example. Now this is a lengthy method. I will teach you the short method. Here 7 raised to minus, this all the steps are given. Just now I taught you that. So here negative number, here negative sign is there. Negative 2, negative 5, here negative 2. So this is the solving. Okay, and is equals to, so 1 upon 7 raised to minus 2, 7 raised to minus 2 into 7 raised to minus 2 into 7 raised to minus 2. 5 time multiplication means only 7 raised to minus 2 into 5. 5 to the 10. So the answer is 1 upon 7 raised to minus 10. And if you want to make it positive, we have to take at the numerator's position. And that is about this. Now I will teach you the method. 7 raised to, you know that all. Okay, I am just revising raised to 2 and raised to 5. Just now I told you that we have to do indices is there. We have to do the multiplication. So here what will come? Minus 2 and into minus 5. So here it is 7. Okay. फिर गलत बात को गलत कहना क्या होता है? सही. So answer will get positive sign, and 5 to the 10, and sign which will be plus, because here multiplications rule of the sign we have to follow. गलत बात को गलत कहना क्या होता है? सही. So the answer is positive. In this way, in short also you can solve this example. Okay. Now let us move towards the next example. Question number example number 2 raised to 2 upon 5 raised to, here also mistake is there, 2 raised to 5, 2 upon 5 raised to 2 and plus 3. So here, see, if you see here 2 upon 5 raised to 2, 2 up minus 2, sorry, here we want minus 2 because here negative is there, here mistake is there. So 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2 into 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2 into 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2. Okay, and then if base is same, indices what we have to do, the addition. Okay, so the steps are given here. Here this copy inside problem is there in your textbook. I think it is correct only. So 2 upon 5 raised to minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2 means only 2 upon 5 raised to minus 6 to 6, minus 2 plus minus 2 plus minus 2 minus 6. That is the lengthy method. Now rule we will understand what we have to do. If here it is the multiplication 2 raised 2 upon 5, indices means what we have to do here, minus 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, so 2 upon 5, 2 3s are 6, but sign which will come, गलत बात को सही कहना गलत होता है. So 2 upon 5 raised to minus 6 is its answer. So in this way all of you solve. So now I know the rule, that is today we learn the 3 rules. A into B raised to m means only A raised to m into B raised to m. A upon B raised to m means A raised to m upon B raised to m. And the third rule is the A raised to m raised to n is equal to A raised to m into n. That is the third rule. Now I know what I know. If A is a non-zero rational number, m and n are the integers, then A raised to m raised to n means only A raised to m into n, and means only A raised to mn. Okay, that is the third rule we understand today. Okay, now here it is, A is a non-zero number, that I taught you now only. A raised to m, base is same, in multiplication is there, indices addition means 2 raised to 2 into 2 raised to 3 if it is there, 2 raised to 2 plus 3 is equals to 2 raised to 5. This is the first rule. Understand? Instead of here multiplication, if there is a division, instead of multiplication, if here it is a division, okay, see here, very easy it is actually. If it is division here, then what? Here which change will be takes place? Here the sign is negative, and 2 minus 3 is equal to here minus 1, bigger number minus smaller number, and then here bigger number sign. So this is the second rule. If division is there, indices we are doing the subtraction. Any number raised to A means the same number. I taught you. 5 raised to 1 means 5 only. 8 raised to 1 only, 8 only. Any number raised to 0 is 1, means 5 raised to 0 its value is also 1, and 900 raised to 0 its value is also 1. The next rule is the, if A raised to minus 1 m is there, A raised to minus m, and if we want to make the positive m, then we have to take it at the denominator position. For example, suppose 2 raised to minus 3 is there and I want it positive, so 1 upon 2 raised to 3. This is its example. The next rule we seen today, these are the today's rules. A into B raised to m means here multiplication in between them. So here A into B raised to m. For example, I will take it here 2 into 5 raised to 3 means only 2's cube into 5's cube. Okay, so today we seen that rule. A upon B raised to m means only it is cube m, it is a m is the power of a also and b also. So 3 upon 5 raised to 6 is equals to 3 raised to 6 upon 5 raised to 6 whole. Okay, and the last rule today we seen, that is the this is powers. Power means multiplication, means 5 raised to 2 raised to 2 is equal to 5 raised to 2 raised to 2 is 4. And if it is negative m is here, okay, here negative m is there, and I want it made positive, then what we had to do, I have to do the position of numerator and denominators we have to change. Okay, so this is today's, means 5 upon 2 raised to 3, if it minus 3 is there, then if we want to make the 3 positive, so we have to do that 2 upon 5 raised to plus 3. In this way we studied the rules, and you have to follow the rules and complete the practice set number 29. Okay, so today we are going to stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.